When your supplement payments stop processing, every minute matters. But most processors route you through endless chatbots or delayed email queues, while your account stays frozen and your customers can't order. Here is a quick check. See how each processor handles urgent support. Do they list a phone line or live chat? Or are you stuck submitting a ticket and waiting for someone to reply days later? Fast, direct support can mean the difference between a quick fix and a major revenue loss. If your supplement account is under review or frozen, you want someone who can escalate immediately, not an automated response. That's why EasyPay Direct connects you with real people who specialize in high risk industries. Their team understands the urgency of supplement payments and can resolve issues before they spiral into full holds or shutdowns. Here is a quick FAQ insight. Nutraceutical merchant accounts are considered high risk because of stricter regulations and refund patterns. Working with a processor that offers dedicated, real time support helps prevent those risks from turning into lost revenue. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can see how their direct support keeps supplement payments running smoothly. When payment issues hit, slow support can cost you sales. With EasyPay Direct, you will have fast, responsive help from people who actually understand your supplement business. Check the link in the description to get started today.